So in this video, we will see how to install Oracle SQL Developer on your Windows laptop. So first step is to type Oracle SQL Developer in your Google search and just hit the enter part. Once you do that, probably the first link you would see is from the official Oracle website. And if for some reason there is another link, please scroll through all the links available and only visit the official Oracle link, and you will see that here Oracle SQL Developer Downloads is the first option, which is I have already been to this website, so that is why it's being graded in a different color, but for you it might be in the regular blue color. Once you click on it, it takes to a page where it gives you a different names of all the different versions of SQL Developer for different kind of operating systems. So since we are working on Windows, we'll go with Windows 64 with JDK 8 included. Once you click on download, it will take you to one of the login screens. So here, if you don't have any Oracle account, you don't have to worry. You can just go to create account, use your regular Gmail, Yahoo, any email to create an account. Once you create the account, then your download will automatically start at your machine. It takes a time, depends on the internet connection you have. Once you do that, you will see SQL Developer compressed file in your download section. It is around 435 MB. And since it's a zipped file, you can't use it right away. You have to unzip it or extract it. So there are different softwares which are already available in Windows. So if you are using Windows 11, you will see extract all. There is an option extract all which will directly do this work. But if you are using previous version of Windows, you might have to see there is a different option that open with 7-zip or any extraction based software you have. Once you go to that, you can click on extract here, extract all, whatever the option you are seeing. Once you do that, it takes a little bit time on my machine also, since it carries a lot of number of files. So then you will see a folder like this, SQL Developer 24. This is a version number of your SQL, and into 64 is your operating system detail. You double click on it. There is another folder called SQL Developer. You go inside it. At the bottom of it, you will see SQL Developer. If you move on to the column type, you will see the type of this particular thing is application, wherein other you will see PNG file folders. So you only have to go and click on it. This will start your Oracle SQL Developer machine. So it takes a little bit time when you are doing it for the first time. So we'll just wait for a few minutes So it takes a little bit time. This is the window you will probably see at the first time. And here, if you go, this is the window you will see. You don't have to do anything here. There is a plus sign on the top left corner. Once you click on it, it will ask you a few details, the server name and everything. These details will be shared to you. These are the details, but don't worry. These details will be shared to you separately also. You will fill in these details. You will hit on connect. Then you will be able to connect to the SQL Developer server, which is provided by syntaxtechs, and all the relevant data sets and everything is there. Once you are done with this part in the class, we'll go and see how to run queries, how to check data set, anything we'll read. What we see in our SQL classes, we'll do the practical part here in the class only. So if it's possible before class you can do, it's extremely good. And if you are stuck at some point, just message us on Slack so we can rectify your error.